Hello! In today's hsbDesign for Revit training session, we want to take a further look at the Export Manager and how you can create Excel reports. So we begin with the Export Manager, and we want to start the generator in configuration mode. And by the last export video, you already know these setup options in here. So we quickly set up the destination directory path. And we click OK. Next, we need to select the item container, and we're getting straight into our Export Manager. In the last video, I've already explained to you that the All Export group contains all of the exports that we created, and that in order to run this export, we need to assign them to export groups. In today's video, we want to take a closer look at the settings. So if, for example, I take the BTL export and go to Edit, and next up, I click on these three dots and I get to the export settings. These export settings are different for every export type that you can choose. So for some export types, you have more settings. Like for the BTL export, you can set up a lot. And for other export types, it's just 2 or 3 rows. On top of that, you can also add extensions. And for the BTL export, it's also possible to add tool modifiers. You can create a new export setting, or you can copy this one, which is the one that has been used last time, and rename it. So we're calling this one right now our BTL new. And after clicking OK, you're in the new export setting, and you would have the option to change something. So for example, you could change the BTL parameter precision to just 1 decimal. After closing this, it has already been used, so right now you could switch between last used or BTL new. We can also now change the output location again, and then we can close this tab. So right now we want to run this export, the BTL export, so we have to open our exporter. This time we won't start it in generator mode, and we can click OK and afterwards select the item container. So as you can see, the export was completely successful, and here you would have the option to either go straight to the location or, moreover, you can also open the exported file by clicking on it. So as you can see, because we created a BTL export, this one opened up in a BTL viewer. Next up, we also want to create an Excel report. And in here you have the same setup option, so you can set up the filter. We are going with item containers, and in the select mode, we will choose pick items. You have the location options as before. You could start it in design mode, which will do because we selected new report. But we can, for example, use the stick frame wall report, and then we can uncheck start in design mode. So we're creating the Excel report straight up. Next up, we want to select another output location. And then we can select the item container for which we want to create an Excel report. It will open up in Excel straight away. So for this report, we're having the position number, zone index, the height, the width, and the length visible. I hope this video helped you to get an even better understanding of the exporter and an introduction to Excel reports. See you for the next video.